this loaded bitch. Shaking the game and I'm killing the shit. Staring at death and not giving a fuck. Luke King, I be the chosen one. Robbing and killing and mobbing. I put in my 9 and I leaving her stopping. Ho, crazy the guys, I'm like Shane's son. Fuck them with me, then I'm taking your soul. Breaking your neck, rapping my set. Pulling the trigger, I'll keep for respect. Hellbound, but I can care less. Drinking your blood and I'm eating your flesh. Demonic vibe, always down to ride. Till we turn up and sip that dark side. Come hop in the whip and let's take a ride. Losing your life, but your soul is mine.
Eyes red like Kano, your main bitch, my main hoe. You busters can die slow, I slide through the range though. Names cursing, I'll leave you burning dead inside of hearts. I'm bout to burst, and every time I gotta spit a fucking deadly verse. Ain't gon' stop when the Glock will pop. Calling them cops cause I heard some shots. Laughing when your body drops dead inside a parking lot. I'm grabbing the gauge, full of the rage, flipping the page, stepping in my way. Deep inside a cave, running to a fucking blade. Success ain't lacking when my green be stacking. My spray paint be racking, attacking you busters. My fofo, I'm packing. Yo, don't I be cracking. No knowledge, I'm deep in your mind, I'm just hacking.
Well